Hello, friends. As a quick caveat to my classmates, I've watched some of your videos. They're awesome. Um, I don't know how to use Canva. I don't know how to use some of those other softwares. Traditionally, whenever I need to get an idea out to my students, I would just do a video like this. So that is the reason I'm coming to you in this format. But you have inspired me to look at these things, but I don't have enough time to learn it before the assignment is due. So with that said, here's my presentation. Hello class, I'm Dr. Len Bogner. We've talked about several things. In this unit, we're going to talk about critical thinking, and you should each have a pamphlet like this that we're going to use. I've told you over and over again, my job as your instructor is to make you better critical thinkers, make you better problem solvers, and make you lifelong learners. And all these things, that's a big package to put together, but all these things will make you a better person and hopefully have you have a more enjoyable life to know and to understand what you really believe. So critical thinking and problem solving really come close together. When we talked about problem solving, we talked about math. Why do we have to learn algebra? Well, A plus B equals C. And you have to figure out what A is and what B is in order to get to C. And that's the same with critical thinking. You have to put the parts together. You have to put the facts together. I often say if someone asks you a question, you can answer it immediately. That's not critical thinking. The old saying, let me sleep on it. That's critical thinking. Letting your mind do some processing. You're not always thinking about it, but your mind is churning away at it. And what aspect do you have the next morning? Is it the same that you went to bed with? So that's what we're going to look at in this critical thinking. For our pamphlet, for what we're going to do, we're looking at 8 parts of critical thinking. You'll find them on page 10 in our pamphlet. Clarity, accuracy, precision, relevance, depth, breadth, logic, significance, and fairness. And if you're thinking that's a lot, you're darn right it's a lot. And that's where I'm trying to get you at. That to really understand, to really be critical, you have to take time and put things into place. And then hopefully how these things fit into your reality. But the facts, your experiences that a lot of you haven't had yet, but we're going to try and give those to, and bringing all those things into critical thinking. So I'm looking real forward to seeing you in class. Once again, take a look at your pamphlet, and we're going to have at it. Think critically.